Samsung is gearing up for the highly anticipated release of its latest smartwatch series, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The upcoming lineup has successfully passed the Federal Communications Commission (FCC) certification. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series will consist of two models, the Samsung Watch 6 and the Samsung Watch 6 Classic. These watches are expected to launch alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, possibly in July or August. The FCC listing confirms that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 will be available in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. The 40mm variant carries the model number SMOR 930, while the 44mm version is identified as SMOR 940. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11b/G/N/A, NFC, and GNSS. Similar to its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series, the Watch 6 will also feature wireless charging capabilities. The wireless charger for the Watch 6, model number ER900, is expected to be identical to the one used for the Watch 5 series. In addition to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, Samsung is also rumored to launch the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The renders of the device were also leaked recently. This model is anticipated to sport rotating bezels, reminiscent of the popular Watch 4 Classic. The Watch 6 Classic is said to offer a 1.47-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 470 x 470 pixels, and it will be powered by a 425 mAh battery. While the FCC listing doesn't provide detailed specifications, further information about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series is expected to emerge from other certification platforms in the coming weeks. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch of these highly anticipated smartwatches. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.